So hello everyone, this is Accar TechUg as usual. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get to download and install yourself the Mtn Momo application. Just know that this application has a user-friendly interface. When it comes to making transactions on MTN, it's going to be easy for you. So tap onto the Google Play Store because it's the trusted application from which you can get to download and install the Mtn Momo application from. So once you get over here, tap onto the search button and get into the search box and type out Mtn Momo app. So you then get to land over here, then tap on install. So the process is gonna begin. Okay, and it will be done in less than a minute when your internet is good. If it's bad, a minute. So it's installing. Guys, I'm going to show you how you can get to the process of installing, and also how do you register yourself onto this application. So some parts are going to be darkened for reasons of security on this application. So you tap on open. Since it's your first time logging in after the installation of the app onto your phone, it will need you to put in, skip all that. You're gonna skip. So over here, you know that this application is in over how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this application is in 7. Are they 7? 7 countries. So, but I'm in Uganda. So you then get to put in your Ugandan number 078. So that is my Ugandan number. Next, so over here you might not see what's going on here for reasons that they're gonna do the verification. So here we are. Here we are now. So once you're done doing that, you then have to sign in. So onto this portion over here, you won't see anything. Reason being for security reasons. Then over here, the one-time password is gonna get in, and then tap next. So this is the home page of the Mtn Momo application. So if you've been wondering how you can get to download and install the Mtn Momo application, that's how basically you can get to do it. Thank you.